Yes,
Yeah.
TPG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I will speak when Sebastian sir was talking about
Okay.
the philosophy of yoga, but then Vadwanji continued his lectures.
Okay.
There are great philosophies. Probably there is a great concept in most of the common people that no philosophies solve problems or find problems to solve, and then what do you do is add more problems, and you have to learn all the problems to understand more and more, and that's why sometimes it is a darshana shastra. It doesn't solve problems. Immediately we had 2 presentations on which solutions to most of the problems are given. It's nice. Saridaji ended up with saying, you consult the doctor and decide what to do. Because the effects of COVID are still being studied. In every individual, the way it affects is unpredictable. The severe acute respiratory syndrome, which is called SARS, the lungs are reported to be the battlefield for COVID. It is too critical to care the lungs. That's why everybody start looking at the breath rate and to see how it, but moment by moment it can change. What is, as on today, probably for last 1 year people studied, all of them start saying nearly 60% of the people had ended up with ARDS, the acute respiratory distress syndrome. I don't know how many people really, and I learned my psychology, MS, we learned pathology, we learned biochemistry. If everything is not understood, it's very difficult. The Hada Yoga Pradipika talks about Sharira Manaso Yoga Paraspara Manuvrajet Adhara Adeya Bhavena Taptajya Khadayoriva. When my body starts reacting, my emotion starts changing automatically. Both changes, the first impact is on my breathing. And also it says, everybody cannot give this practice of breathing just like that. Count 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5. Yesterday, or day for yesterday during my lecture, I said I was giving training maybe 30 years back when I was an youngster. I was thinking that Yogasana is yoga. It took almost 30 years to understand Yogasana is nothing in yoga. All the Shirshasanas, none of our God found standing in Shirshasana. Otherwise, we would have seen Shiva standing Shirshasana, Krishna standing Shirshasana. None of them. These are all some gymnastics which is started in Mysore Palace. That's what I told the other day. Breathing practice, breathing control has to be carefully done. Uttara Gita, not in Bhagavad Gita. After that, there is a Gita. In Uttara Gita, Bhagavan says 40 times to 18 times. When you are strong 18 times, otherwise 40 times. You will breathe like a dog. Why you are breathing like a dog? What is one of the impacts? I know people who are, my eldest brother died not even with the COVID. Even before that, there are people who started practicing breathing without proper license or without proper guidance. So what do? We have got the air which goes in, the temperature has to be sufficiently controlled before it goes to the lungs. You forcefully push like the pumping air in the tube, what will happen? The temperature control doesn't happen. When you do it outside in a polluted world, all the pollution goes inside. There is no filter time given for the air for the natural flow pattern which is provided. We are not living in a very good condition where the air around me is fantastic. Everybody doesn't have a air purifying system close to their bedroom. We are breathing almost 8-10 hours bad breaths. That itself is good enough. So without proper environment, if we start doing these prescriptions, what will happen? Definitely there will be a, what is COVID is providing to most of the people? The air sacs becoming filled with the fluid, and that fluid gets leaked out, and tiny blood vessels fill the lungs. Any small breathing pattern which you change to that person, finished. I am saying doctors have only one suggestion: take a full rest. That is why most of them, see, everyone, when you are in panic, definitely you will try different methodology. Here sometimes somebody says you take a deep breath. You know what is happened to the so-called person who is selling yoga in India. Indian Medical Association filed a case. That is because these sort of hearing from not diagnosed properly, not even, this is like going to a pharmacy and asking for medicines when you have a severe disease without even pathology. I think this is where we have pulmonary fibrosis. ARDS causes pulmonary fibrosis, and that is a very severe situation. Most of the COVID patients, at least 60% of them, and in that 40% of the patients have got severe problem because their breathing practices, with probably they had already fibers inside. All of us have got, but that will come out very fast. That increases too much. That is what is happening. That is why when people have some problem, they did not practice. It's like, I remember one of the best doctor who make people to do all these yoga. I am also a person who's learned yoga maybe 30-40 years back in my childhood, yogasana. Most of the people use yogasana as yoga and say, I do practice meditation for 40 minutes, 20 minutes. See, when you are in meditation, you lose the time concept itself. How can I teach meditation to somebody? Meditation cannot be taught. It is like dipping inside. You have to, it's like explaining what is the taste of water. How can I explain taste of water to somebody else? It is to be felt by self. There are a lot of concepts which we are trying to sell it just like this. I think we should be very careful. Otherwise, what happens is a message will go that, for every problem you have, I told the other day also, the manas can be made into, Ramana Maharshi clearly explained, prana bandhanat liyate mana jala pakshivat dina rodanam. See, I can, everybody can market, everybody can start doing this without knowing anatomy, without knowing pathology, without knowing biochemistry. These are all essentially required, but that doesn't need. I am a fluid mechanist. We understand the blood flow in arteries, because it's full of fluid, how the fluid works, how it goes. I'm also from the background of yoga. I am from the Himalayan tradition meditation. So we never teach. I told you, not even a single person will teach meditation. Only yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana. Finished. I think it is to be understood very carefully. Sometimes we are giving wrong messages through this. Very, very carefully it should be done.
You're absolutely correct. Meditation has to come to us. That's the way it is. But I'm sorry to see all the marketing areas around the globe. It is a mess. When I was talking to Swami Bua, he said, making International Day of Yoga, it can create a big mess around the world. It's happening. So, anyway, TB like to share.
Okay. Yeah. Congratulations, everybody.
I just wanted to supplement what Sebastian G spoke about Advocate Wadhwan. We have a great saintly person called Appaya Dikshidhar. When Shankaracharya wrote lot of descriptions of God, like God has got this ornament, that ornament, and the shape of God is like this. Maybe we know Saraswati means we know there is a lady with sari like this. God only knows whether Saraswati had sari or pajama kurta, no? Or kurti. We don't know.
Or naked.
But we don't know. It's all Ravi Verma's girlfriend's faces which are reflected in the Devi Sankalpas. Right. So if somebody wanted to visualize God, You can visualize in whatever form you want. Appaya Dikshidhar beautifully says, Rupam Rupa Vivarjidasya Bhavadho Dhyayena Yat Kalpitam. God doesn't have shape, and I have given shape to God, whichever shape I like. Stutya Nirvajaniyada Akhila Guru Durigrdayanmaya. I cannot describe the beauty of God, but we have Saundarya Lahari which describes the beauty of Parvati also.
Right.
How can I describe God when she is indescribable? Vyaptitvam cha maya kritam. It is everywhere spread, and then we have kept a few centers. You go to this place, you get moksha. You go to this place, it is very good. Actually, God is everywhere. That is what the faith is. No?
Correct.
Yet Chandavyam Jagadisha Doshatrayam Matkritam. Appaya Dikshidhar is asking, Bhagavan, this is my, each individual like us who have done this papa to God himself. See, please forgive us for this. And we also traditionally created who can symbolize God and then visualize. Agnir Devo Dujadina. If you are a person who does puja, without Agni he cannot start a puja. So Agni itself is Bhagavan. Right? Agnir Devo Dujadina. Muni Nam Hridi Devatam. For a Maharshi, as Sebastian Ji said, Hridaya Guhara Madhye Kevalam Brahma Matram. He is self inside, he visualizes God. But everybody cannot do that. So common people, for less brain people, Vigraham Sulpa Buddhinam. Vigraham is there for the people who have got less buddhi. Sarvatra Vidhitatmanam. When you reach a level, you know, in each individual whom I am meeting, there is God inside. So if you cannot, everybody cannot reach PG. So probably you have to go to LKG. But some people only stay in LKG and they never go to first class also. That is the problem. And they will say 28 years I am in LKG. That's like a LKG teacher who never passes. But students keep passing, right?
Then that's why I always tell my students, instead of talk about the God, just bring the godliness in your actions day to day, every single day.
Somebody asked me, when you go to temple, what do you take? I said, I will take the God. Why should I take a prasad? Why should I take a tirtham? Why should I take some sandalwood paste? That either I will get. If I go to temple and if God is there, I like to take him along with me. That's all what I do.
This is the life for each one of us.
Yes.
Lifge, L-I-F-E. Life is live in full enjoyment.
Correct.
Enjoyment, yes.
And learn in full enjoyment. Because only human being can learn. No other animals can learn. I don't think there is a dog sitting together and then discussing like this. So unless you learn, you can never be called as a human being. And any moment you don't learn, you are an animal. And you can decide which animal you are.
Correct. So we may have to add dog laughing yoga too.
So that is there. In Japan, there is a dog meditation also. They teach dog how to meditate. Yeah.
So, all the sections are
Wonderful.
coming very alive. That's the part I like about these days.
I don't think monkeys require any asanas to be taught because it knows better.
So I just simply made it 30 days program, and the people